Hey food lovers, today we're making homemade pasta from scratch, and it's simple. For the dough you'll need 3 cups of flour, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix everything neat and firm. Wrap it up and let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Dough needs a power nap. This pasta machine has 8 levels, but we're stopping at level 3 for the perfect thickness. You can actually make 3 types of spaghetti here, not to mention lasagna. Once the dough has rested, divide it into 6 pieces. Dust with flour for no sticky disaster here, and start rolling. It is forbidden to wash this machine with water, so don't go too fast. Just don't be messy, and you'll be just fine. Our pasta press has 8 levers, but we're stopping at level 3 for the perfect thickness. Next, move the cutter section. We're going for the classic noodle shape. Let the magic happen, and don't forget to dust it with more flour so they don't stick. Toss in the pasta in salted water and cook it for 3 minutes. Drain in and dunk it into ice water to lock the perfect texture. Let's talk sauce. Only real Italian tomatoes will do. Chop up 1 onion and try to make it really small pieces. We're not making salad here. It is also super important for the garlic to be chopped. Now here's the most important part, the olive oil. Not just any olive oil. Finding a good one is super hard. I get mine from here, and no, it isn't a paid ad. I just love the stuff, the liquid gold. I mean, it's so good I just drink it in the morning before my coffee. So when you add the tomatoes, when it starts simmering, add the garlic, salt and pepper. And a splash of dry white wine. Don't forget to add basil. And final touch, mix the pasta with the sauce. And wait for the water to dry out. You can add vinegar if you like. Some Parmesan on top. Mix it well and there you have it. But what the hell is this? Cheese not detected. Always put a lot of Parmesan cheese on top. And now it's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this pasta journey. Like, subscribe and tell me in the comments what's your favorite pasta dish. Till next one, bye.